bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. May Chukwu Okike Abiama bless Biafra. May Chukwu Okike Abiama bless Biafra Special Military Squad. May Chukwu Okike Abiama bless the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra. Ise. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen already. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen already. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. God bless Biafra. And God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless Biafra. na-agbazi ọsọ ọsọ na-achụzi fa
mana famaro na n'Igbo mmeri ife obodo anyị tinyere aka n'ụwa na-agala anyị ya ka anyị ji bụrụ ụmụ Chukwu okike abịama Nnamdi Kanu kedụzi ife mesịrị mee nnukwu onye gwụrụ abụga amata obodogo mgbanwanye fara ibe agbala nze na akpọ ya n'Igbo ife mere ihe ole n'ụwa ka ibiri ịga bitụole n'ụwa ụbi ya pụtara onye si onye ọrụ bara mmadụ atụọ m ọfọ na mmiri
ị ga-afụ ife ọma odogo ị ga-afụ ife ọma Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ị ga-afụ ife ọma
mgbanụ kenenu Kanu ọhamadike dị ya pụtara abala nzere kumbu n'ihi eze ndogo yiri mkpuchi
Nnamdi Kanu
ndị gbabara n'ọrụ nkuzi
Nnamdi Kanu
ife dị na ihe n'ụwa mụ
Nnamdi Kanu
deputy director uche mọfọrọ ekele mmiri ọhamadike dị ya pụtara ụmụ Biafra oge nzuzo abala nze nọ n'egwu
otu aka ọ dị
ọ bụ egwu ikolobịa onye gbagala ya lụ ka ọ gbalaba n'ụwa na-anagide Nnamdi Kanu ọhamadike Biafra ụkwalụ oge n'ụwa daa ife niile nwere otie oge nzuzo na anyị gara Biafra banani Biafra bananzo Biafra bangana ani Chukwu gwara anyị na mgbaka ndụ
we must go home
onye Nigeria bụ onye Naija wakene bụ mmiri of Nigeria.
What is the meaning of Nigeria? Hopelessness. He who is on the ground fears no fall. Nigeria, ikuku ya n'isigu kedu ibe ọ ga-eme Nnamdi Kanu ọhamadike Biafra itinere anyị ome n'ụwa ka ndị kwube egwu ọrụ ịlụrụ n'ụwa juru m anya isi kpọta Igbo n'ụlọ juru m anya ekene ka ndị ọnụ n'ụwa Nnamdi Kanu ekene ka ndị ọnụ n'ụwa Nnamdi Kanu ọhamadike Biafra onye afọ ịrapụrụ oche eze nna ya Arapụrụ oche eze nne ya ọbụla sengemenge ife dị mma ọ na-akọ na beghị odogwu na-epe mpe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu odogwu na-epe mpe Nnamdi Kanu ọhamadike Nnamdi Kanu ọhamadike Olumbuze Nnamdi Kanu ọhamadike
Mwakanu odogwu na pempe ofu mbaja na-eme ọfụlo dịka agwụgwọ ndị iloyi Maazị Nnamdi Kanu dịka agwụgwọ ndị iloyi na-achọzi udo Mwakanu Biafra is our land. Biafra Banai. Nnamdi Kanu. Roguna Pampa Abra Sengamenge Oso Abri Omegeni Nnamdi Kanu Amadike Mwakanu Nnamdi Kanu Amadike Imirikiti metetego Ayetetego n'ụla Anyị ga-ana we are going home Mwakanu Amadike Nnamdi Kanu Mwakanu Amadike Nnamdi Kanu Mwakanu Nnamdi Kanu Amadike Nnamdi Kanu God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. We must continue. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is about Ohamadike 1. Roguna Pempe, Ofumbaja na Nwafulo dị na Forukwu Ibeku. Ara asindo ebido n'iso abụrị omegen maka na dibịa gwụarịa onye amụma ọzọ ekpegharịa ndị otu ọzọ ebugharịa otu akụwa dị maka na dibịa ka dibịa mmụọ ka mmụọ agbara arụsị ka arụsị otu aka ọ dị ada afọ ilu mmadụ ada eme ife mpi anya ada eme sengamenge ọwa anya bụ Biafra Special Military Squad BSMS mmasị ya n'oyibo nso ya n'Igbo mana ọ ma amasị m ka m sụọ ya n'oyibo mana ịma na ọ nwere ndị Baịbụl ndị Biafra na-ada aghọta Igbo anyị nwere Isoko anyị nwere Idoma anyị nwere Ishekiri anyị nwere Anan anyị nwere Efik anyị nwere Igede Izon Igbanke Igbo Akịrị Anioma anyị elika man. We are so large and we are voluminous. And we are going home. Nothing shall stop the restoration of Biafra. Nothing. I said nothing. Not even the Fulani headsmen, not even the Fulani Empire. You understand? So we have other tribes in Biafra who don't understand the Igbo Biafran language. So that's the reason why I have to speak in English so that everyone's going to flow with me. God bless Biafra, and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad, and God bless the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the Great, the greatest freedom fighter of all time. I am so happy and I am so opportuned. I see myself and my generation and the people around me and the people, our soldiers in BSMS, we see ourselves to be highly opportuned to have existed, to have lived in a time when this great freedom fighter existed. You understand? It is not easy to live in this particular generation because this particular generation is destined for the restoration of Biafra. And we are fanatical about Biafra. We are, in terms of Biafra freedom, we are fanatics. And we don't care what you say about us. We don't care the way you gossip about us. We know that we must restore Biafra. This generation of Biafra must restore Biafra. It's not going to exceed this generation because this is a clarion call that we all must answer. For the avoidance of doubt, it is I, Commander Nana, of Biafra Special Military Squad. God bless BSMS. God bless Biafra. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen already. Yes, God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen already. Yes, these idiotic animals, the Fulani Empire, they think we are joking with them. But time is going to tell. God bless the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Some people might be wondering, why do I keep hailing this man? You understand? People might be wondering, why do I keep talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? If I don't talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who am I going to talk about? If I don't praise Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who else am I going to praise apart from Chukwu Okike Abịama bi n'eluigwe? After Chukwu Okike Abịama bi n'eluigwe, the next person I'm seeing is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Take it or not. After Chukwu Okike Abịama bi n'eluigwe, ekekere ụwa niile, the next person in line in my life, I don't know about you, is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I refer to him as my Lord and personal Savior. You understand? I don't care how you feel. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is my Lord and my personal Savior. He's the person that saved me, not white Jesus. For point of correction. Thank you. God bless General Chukwuma Dike Amimon, the General of Biafra Special Military Squad, the demon of the East. Biafra they come, oh. BSMS they come, oh. Amemon they come, oh. You no go giri, you go giri, oh. Biafra they come, oh. BSMS they come, oh. Amemon they come, oh. You no go giri, you go giri, oh. Biafra they come, oh. BSMS they come, oh. Amemon they come, oh. You no go giri, you go giri, oh. Biafra they come, oh. BSMS they come, oh. Amemon they come, oh. You no go giri, you go giri, oh. Dibia agwaria. Onye amụma kpee, onye amụma ọzọ ekpegharịa. Ndị otu buo, ndị otu ọzọ ebugharịa ya. Ihe Fulani na-agwawa ọgwụ. Fulani ihe ha na-agwawa ọgwụ. Ihe Fulani na-agwawa ọgwụ. Dibia gwọọ, dibia agwarịa. Dibia ha gwọọ, dibia anyị agwarịa. Onye amụma ha kpee, onye amụma anyị ekpegharịa. Ndị otu ha buo, ndị otu anyị ebugharịa ya. Ha agwụọla, anyị agwarịala ya. Ha ebuola, anyị ebugharịala ya. Ha ekpeela, ndị otu anyị ekpegharịala ya. Tụọkụ wad, maka na dibia gwọọ, dibia agwarịa. Maka na arụsị ka arụsị, mmụọ ka mmụọ, dibia ka dibia. N'ihi na mbọsị amụ dike na mba ka amụla ibe ya. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. God bless General Chukwumadike Amemon, the demon of the East. And so obri megane adamaka abade emefe sengameng itiaka akwoliemgi itiaka BSMS abayelegi plasmi kilibi ozbo to akode. God bless Biafra Special Military Squad, the second in command, General Ezechukwu Festus, the Lion of Biafra. God bless all BSMS commanders on ground, and God bless all BSMS soldiers on ground. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our Lord and personal Savior, and our supreme leader, and the supreme general of Biafra Special Military Squad. Why did I come online today to speak? I came online today so that I can talk about this particular issue that has been brewing up for a long time now, which is no longer news. It's no longer news. Everybody knows about the Ruga settlement, the proposed Ruga settlement, which these devilish Fulani myopic land grabbers from Futajalon are planning and weaving in order to unleash it on our people. But the problem right now, the problem on their side, not on our side. The problem right now on their side is that they failed to remember the fact that we are Biafrans. We are Biafrans and we are mighty. We are Biafrans and we are strong. We are Biafrans and we can never capitulate to cheap threats. We are Biafrans and we can never allow Fulanis to take our land from us. It's impossible. This is impossible. It is mission impossible. This is who we are, I'm not bragging. This is who we are. We are Biafrans. And we are children of warrior. Oh God. We are children of warrior from the loins of Abraham. We are warriors. We never give up. And Fulani headsmen can never come all the way from Futajalon to tell our people to give them lands, or to tell our people that they want to Islamize us, which they are already doing. So what I came to tell them right now is that we are waiting for them. They can make it 15 days ultimatum. The 30 days is too big now. Mieti Allah! Mbosamu dika namba ka amulebe ya. Unu neme anya. Mieti Allah! Mieti Allah! Mieti Allah! Mieti Allah! Geno monte. Mbosamu dika namba ka amulebe ya. Only for neme. 30 days ultimatum is too big. Mieti Allah! 30 days ultimatum is too big. Mieti Allah! Make it 15 days ultimatum. Ka if I cholo, I choose you nature. Mieti Allah, we said BSMS is now telling you we don't want the 30 days ultimatum. Please make it 10 days and come. May I 10 days ikonobia? I don't know, we Bama. Mieti Allah, we want you people to make it 10 days ultimatum. The 30 days ultimatum is too big. It's too big, man. It's too big. Make it 10 days, 5 days, then you we can never ever be cowardized. Oh God. We can never be pushed into cowardized. We can never be pushed into cowardice. Never. We can never surrender Biafra land to anybody. The Fulanis can go to hell and burn to ashes. We can never surrender Biafra land to anybody. Not now, not ever. It's not now, it's not never, it's not possible. If a Fulani na agwo bogu, nye ekwu ya gebe no monte. If I na agwo no bezi okwu Chineke ka na agwo never. The Fulani is the thing that is driving their force is black magic. Understand it very well. Have you asked yourself, why is the reason that upon all the carnage which are being perpetuated in the devilish contraption called the zoo, the devilish contraption, upon all the carnage that have been perpetuated here in Biafra land, why is it that our people are still dumb? Most of our people, their minds are still dormant. Till now, most of them don't understand the need for us to be free. Most of them don't understand that we are on the verge of getting Islamized. Assuming there was no Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, assuming there was no IPOB, just think and imagine the state that our people would have been by this time. You understand? So that is exactly what I'm trying to talk about right now. If I speak English, I'll also flow in my dialect. I want the Fulanis, the Mieti Allah, what I'm telling them now, what BSMS is telling them, because I'm not the one speaking. I'm speaking on behalf of Biafra Special Military Squad. We are telling them to reduce the 30 days ultimatum and make it 5 days. We are waiting. 30 days is too big now. You guys are cowards. You guys are cowards. What is that 30 days ultimatum? For what now? It's too big. It's too big. Men dey. Who say men no dey or say so? Men dey. Men full ground. No be bobo juice. So swear you position. No be bobo juice. Muna tell the Mieti Allah say na me dey talk am. Now BSMS dey talk am. The Fulanis, what they dwell with is black magic. Black magic. Only if also. Then if you come to that same black magic, if I Kalande Fulani, in that black magic they feel that they know, they can get some mado, see na zoo, where they jump, where they frog jump to Germany. If I Kalande zoo, nde Fulani, after na agwo, we na agwo. Ọgwụ ha na-agwọ anyị na-egosifa keta ọ bụrụ na anyị na-egosifa ife anyị na-egosifa maka na ọ bụrụ na fa na-ekwu eziokwu fapụtakwuo ife anyị na-emefa n'ime mmụọ anya emepe unu ọ bụrụ na ọgwụ anyị na-agwọ kalịava. Bring down the date. Mieti Allah, 30 days is too much. Mieti Allah, we want 5 days ultimatum. 30 days is too much. Mieti Allah, 30 days is too much. You people, are you not ashamed? Mieti Allah, you said 30 days. You know 30 days. 30 days is too much. 30 days is too much. Make it 5 days. Mieti Allah, reduce it to 5 days. We are waiting. Reduce it to 5 days. Mieti Allah, reduce it to 5 days. Why are you scared? 30 days is too much now. We want people to come with the full-blown war. Come now. Come tomorrow. 30 days is too much. No man goes. 30 days is too much. 30 days is too much. Mieti Allah. We are waiting patiently for you guys. I got one on a dibia warrior. I got one on Onyamama Onyamama barrier. I got one on Andio to Bondio to Ozo Ebuaria. You know what unu na-agwọ. Anyị na-agwọ ya karịa unu. Unu ka na-amụ amụ. Unu na-amụ ya amụ. Unu na-agasị gwọọla unu. Anyị nwa na-agwọ n'aka anyị. Ndị Fulani na-agasị gwọọla ha. Biko gwọọla anyị ka anyị megbute ndị Igbo. Gwọọla anyị ọgwụ ka anyị kpuchie ndị Igbo anya. Gwọọla anyị ọgwụ ka anya hapụ imepe ha. Gwọọla anyị. Ndị Fulani ga ha asị gwọọla anyị. Gwọọla na anyị ọgwụ. Anyị nwa na onwe anyị na-agwọ n'aka anyị. Anya na-agasị gwọọla ya anyị nwa na-agwọ n'aka anyị. Oya mere ajisi gị dibịa gwọarịa dibịa anya gwọarịa ya. Onye amụma anyị kpagharịa ya. Ndị otu ha bucha ndị otu anyị bugharịa ya. Otu a ka ụwa dị. Adasị ndo dibịa ka dibịa, mmụọ ka mmụọ, agbara ka agbara. Ige m ntị n'ife na-ekwu gị mara na ọ bụ njakịrị. Gekwa ntị. Mieti Allah, Biafra dey come. Mieti Allah, BSMS dey come. Mieti Allah, Amemon dey come. Mieti Allah, you no go giri, you go giri yo. Mieti Allah, Biafra dey come. Mieti Allah, BSMS dey come. Mieti Allah, Amemon dey come. You no go giri, you go giri yo. Mieti Allah, mbọsị amụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya. Jubril Aminu al-Sudani, mbọsị amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya. Dan Ali Mansur, mbọsị amụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya. Ali Mangonu, mbọsị amụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya. El Rufai the midget, Mbosi amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya. Abakiari. Mbosi amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya. Buratai. Mbosi amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya.
Now so, we're on ground.
Mbosi amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe ya. 30 days is too much. We are waiting for you guys. Bring it on. Bring it down to 3 days now. Bring it down to 3 days. 30 days is too much. Imagine Fulani is telling us that they are giving us 30 days to come to our land and take over. That if we don't give them land, that 30 days they will come and kill all of us. Ha! Hey! It's like we don't have young men again. We don't have soldiers again. And I was saying I wasn't diable. Umodum ka na wasn't a wall the fabu. Ndana Buago, Akadawala Aguon, Umodum ka na wasn't a well on the fabu, and in his 30 days ultimatum. Ta! Hey, Chine. Chai! One ndị amalụ ka isi kwado chai ndị amalụ ka isi kwado mana ya egosifa ka isi kwado ndị amalụ ka isi kwado hai ndị amalụ ka isi kwado gwakwana ka amalụ ka isi kwado ha malụ ka isi kwado Fulani malụ ka isi kwado maka na dibịa gwọrịa ka m gụọkwara ha egwu ọzọ Biafra dey come BSMS dey come Amemon dey come you no go giri, you go giri aya na-emekwa peaceful protest, aya na-emekwa diplomacy, burukwa flag na-aga n'ụzọ taa ifu ndị Igbo gọvanọs a geenụ m ntị ka m gwazie unu na ifu ndị Igbo gọvanọs a one day Nigeria will cease to exist. Put it at the back of your mind. Igbo governors nna ya nwodo ọhaneze ndị ara na ndị oshi Joe Igbo kwe na ndị otu ya ndị oshi Pandef South Niger Delta Niger rubbish people. Nigeria will cease to exist one day. One day there will be nothing like Nigeria again. Where will you run to? Akwasi ọsọchụba anyị agbanikwu nna anyị. Akwasi na ọsọchụba anyị ọsọchụba nwoke ọgbanikwu nne ya. Cease to exist one day. Nigeria must cease to exist. What will you do then? Do you think that you will run to Europe? Or you run to the America? And they will guard you. And they will protect you. And will be looking at you. Hey, nekwanụ m anya. Hey, ndị achụkwa na ibu okpo. Zoo network, but I must continue. Nya ka anyị na-ekwu ndị achụkwa na ibu okpo. Ndị achụ na ibu okpo. Nya ife okezi ikpeazụ na after ordering the zoo people at National High School Aba, and finally restored, he will now run away to US or Germany or Spain or Italy or come and tell us to forgive him. Hey, ndị ba ya na-ekwu ọdịka okwu ekwu. Hey,
he must collect. All of them must collect.
Mark Zuckerberg must fall. Your Facebook, we see we're gonna use as far as say would they pay you. Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg, the owner of Facebook, as far as that we are paying you for these services that you are rendering, we don't have any apology. You can twist the network the way you want. We'll preach our gospel. Away from that. Nde Eastern governors, Biafran, let me not call them Biafran governors because they are not representing us. People that can tell the zoo to come and kill their people. They are not representing us. All I want to tell them is simple. The zoo will cease to exist one day. And then, you will tell me where you will run to. You will tell me where your family will run to. Mind you, we are not going to kill you and spare your family. We will kill you. We'll kill your wife. We'll kill your children. We'll kill your gate man. If you have dog, we are going to kill it. If you are a saboteur in Biafra land, listen to me. We are not going to kill you and leave your family because you have killed other people's family. Listen, we are going to kill you. We'll kill your wife. We'll kill your children. If you have pets, cats, we'll kill it and we'll burn down your house. Write it on a piece of paper. In the future, you will say that Commander Nana once said this on the live program on Facebook. A book on mask. This is my face. I don't have mask on it. So people are telling us, hey, hide your face now. Hey, cover your face now. Because if I wear mask and come on this live video now say, my name is, okay, for example now, my name is Commander Nana, join BSMS today. Because will you listen to me? If I just come online now, wear mask now, I will be wearing mask. We are BSMS, support us, join us, the zoo must fall with mask. Now, una get guy into. Una get guy into now. All four months, I didn't wait 4 months. You are telling me to hide my face in my own father's land. Fulani terrorists are not hiding their face. The zoo army are not hiding their face. Mieti Allah is issuing a 30 days ultimatum without hiding their face. And you are telling me, dear Allah, Biafra, you are telling me to hide my face.
The person must be mad.
And I'm a cop. This is my face. Ndị Eastern governors na mbọsị amụ dike na mba ka amụli ebe ya. Ndị okenye arụrụ ala niile nọ na bag. Abịa sị gị ive okenye nọ na n'afọ gị wabụ nwata rigo n'osisi ma mfụ ya. And I asked them again, according to what Mazen Nnamdi Kanu taught me, do I need to climb an Iroko tree to see suffering? Do I need to climb an Iroko tree to see Fulanization? Do I need to climb an Iroko tree to see that these people want to kill us all? Ndị okenye arụrụ anyị. Ndị Igbo sị na okenye ada anọ n'ụlọ ewu amụọ n'ọgbụ. Kịtazi ndị okenye anyị nwezi bụzi ndị okenye na-anọ n'ụlọ anọrụ na door na-awọchi ewu na-amụ n'ọgbụ. Fanụ na-awọchi dị ewu anọrụ na-amụ n'ọgbụ. Those are the kind of evil elders that we have in our land. Ndị obi ọjọọ.
Elders of no conscience.
Elders of doom. And they say they are Igbo leaders. Igbo leaders gbonu. Kitaba gbawakwu na anya dia Igbo leaders. Igbo rubbish. They are Igbo leaders. Ohaneze ndị ara ndị oshi. Hopeless idiots. Nyanwo dojo Igbo kwe all of them. Ndị ara mad people. Umahi na ndị otu ya. Willie Obiano the drunkard. Hopeless people. You think you can subjugate our people forever? Nigeria will cease to exist one day. Soviet Union disturbed. One very good day, on a very good day, Soviet Union was dissolved. Yugoslavia pull it. On a only one day, Yugoslavia was peacist. So you think Nigeria cannot be broken? Hey, you are living in cloud cuckoo land. You are living in delusion. Because Nigeria must cease to exist and Biafra shall rise to glory. Then you will tell me where you will run to. You will tell me where you will run to. You that is selling out your people to the Fulanis for jihad. You are selling out your people to the Fulanis to be conquered. You are selling out your people to the Fulanis so that your people can be Islamized. Posterity and history will never be kind on all these saboteurs. Posterity will be, oh God. That one apart. Mieti Allah. I'm still telling you people. Biafra they come, oh. BSMS they come, oh. Amemon they come, oh. You no go giri, no go giri, you go giri, oh. 30 days ultimatum is too big. Mieti Allah, bring it down to 5 days. Bring it down to 5 days and tell us in the next 5 days, if we don't give you land, come and kill us. We are waiting. How about with open hands, oh? With open hands. With open hands. We are waiting with open hands. Imagine Mieti Allah telling us that they are giving us 30 days ultimatum. Ha! Alueme! Odise kadim panrozi, odise kadim panrozi. Alueme. Fulani na-enyezi anyị ultimatum. Chai! Chineke na me. Biko, kedu onye mere anyị ife a, biko? Fulani na-enyezi anyị ultimatum. Hey! Igbo bụ Igbo. Biafra bụ Biafra. Ụmụnne m ndị Zon, ụmụnne m ndị Isoko, ụmụnne m ndị Ishekiri, ụmụnne m ndị Urobo, ndị Anang, ndị Efik, Ibibio. It is time. This is not time for preaching about unity again. This is time to enact that unity. It is time to put that unity into practice. Mind you, whether you are Igbo, whether you are Isoko, whether you are Idoma, Anioma, Ishekiri, Urobo, anywhere you get the Banke, anywhere you think you are from Biafra land, what the Fulanis refer you to as is Nyamere. They will call you Nyamere and they will kill you. So it is high time you stop living in denial and stop deluding yourself and join the moving train. Fulani na asizi ayi tani ya nenyizi ayi tati zotimati. Ha Chineke dame. Ndị ikom ayi adize ka yewereze ndị ikom. Adize ka yewereze ụmụ ikolobịa. Ụmụ ikolobịa na-apị igwe. Lekwanu Fulani o. Chineke. Lekwanu Fulani o. Ndị guy na-watch m. Ndị guy amam no ndị guy na-ekili m. Ndị guy na-ekili m. Lekwanu Fulani o. Ndị Fulani na-agwazi anyị na ha na-apịazi igwezi. Fulani na-agwazi anyị na ha na-enyezi anyị 30 days ultimatum. Na ọ bụrụzi na enyezi ife ala na afa ga-abịazi n'obodo anyị pịazie igwe. Pịagbuzie all men, rapezie all the women, pịazie all men igwe, takezie over, tizie vigilante, tizie ala wakuba everywhere. Hi! Mba na-abala agụ. Mba na-abala odogwu. Well, what I'm telling them is simple. 30 days is too big. Beacon. People should tell me, Eti Allah. 30 days is too much. They should reduce this to 5 days. I want to bring 1 or 2 people in. And anybody I bring in, please hit straight to the point. If I bring you in, just go straight to the point. Go straight to the point and give other people the chance to speak. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. If I bring you in, just go straight to the point. Go straight to the point. Just go straight to the point. I don't want people to be beating about the bush. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. If I bring you in, you go straight to the point, you say your mind, and you give chance. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. I'm trying to bring Chiri in. God bless you, my brother. God bless Biafra.
God bless.
Can you hear me, my brother? You say the zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen. Can you hear me?
Yes, so the zoo has fallen. The zoo has fallen already. Hello.
Hello, my brother.
Okay, very well. Dịka ihe a na-discuss na ị na-asụ Igbo ka m sụọ Igbo. What about it?
Zoo Network. Zoo
Hello?
Network. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
My brother, your network connection is bad. You have to go back again. Let me bring another person. Connection is bad. Let me bring Christian Nora. I know you're calling me from Igochaya. Try and call me back, please. Try and call me back. Your net connection is bad. God bless Biafra. God bless you, my brother.
Oh, hey, Biafra, Commander. My Commander General. Oh, hey, Biafra. God bless BSMS. God bless BSMS. Mazi, Okoto Quadre no Kambede.
Excuse me, I'm not
Okay.
a general, please. I'm not a general, please. I'm a commander, please.
Okay.
Take note.
Okay, Commander. God bless BSMS. God bless BSMS. Mazi, Annam Ifenile in a Kuyatago. First of all, I'm Afambo Eugene Chukwezi. I reside in Germany. I'm from Biafra land. And if in a coup, I'm from Kosi, Emma Asana Ukuji Wago, Badabra Yogo. So I told them when I wanted them to hit here about 2 points only, then I close the topic so that I don't paper, you know. And even though San by 30 days. Sorry, sorry for that. Thank you for the correction. Even the Fulani 30 days momentum in order that now and make I man on my cable, of which and what if I get now I been buy everything. Mazi, if not the abo, even Nigeria, as I would do. If I make Nigeria only the three ethnic, which is Yoruba and Hausa na Igbo, I want Biafra. Now, Yoruba no ha, and what anything who hear the Yoruba name, Yoruba no ha is afraid of us, who Biafrans. Let alone Hausa. And if I'm in a let alone Fulani, let alone Fulani. So, the only thing I make my fellow Biafrans all over the world. Mandano Biafra lando, Mandano Eba diaspora no. One ne. Ota ulo sokola ya de one ne. Igwe geje joga aro. Obo na igwe ejiro eji. Oga. And what if na because the only thing I'm not hit here, point again, I'm not hit here again is that Obo na nda asa bu ndi shy the governors ụfọdụ ndị ọhaneze ndị ara ọhaneze nwanne all these people need to be killed. They need to be killed.
For sure.
I'm telling you honestly speaking.
There shall be no forgiveness.
No forgiveness. There will be absolutely no forgiveness in the whole Biafra land as a whole. In how because these people, the problem I know today from this Fulani threat. Empty threat, Mazi, Fulani empty threat because of Ohanes and Daran and Doshi. Look at Fulani man. A woman, even a threat, a man. A woman. Can a Fulani man? It's a question I'm asking. Not possible. Only Fulani, if I do the Biafra man. Only one person. Mazi obi adram my adago, but don't na talk matter na other Biafrans one idea abo. All these Ohanes and Dara na fake governors I will anything at this condition. They need to be killed. We use them to stand as example so that all these idiots they must be killed. You know,
They
so
must
that
be killed.
all these
About it.
Fulanis will know that. So that all these Fulanis will know that we are not here to joke. If we can kill our own person, they will be like a lion in our hand.
They must be killed. All of them die.
You know? What a fuck? Now, can you mother bribe? Oh, fool, mother now. What's a mother now? One. Think about it. Looking at Oki Bayegu. Why, for that matter, full in them threat on my own land.
Automatumo, na my own land.
No, automatum, na my own land, Mazi. Isha Bandama.
One day.
Abana so wine ekwu asa wine ekwe asa wine ekwu ayewe no wine ekwu nke abana I from nda na ha nwoke but they are not man enough because I'm from na ekwu nkwegodo. I could remember guy in Lagos. There was a time in Lagos. Yeah, 2003. Mazi. So also Yoruba alone. Yoruba metro up with time around Biafra na Alaba. So also Biafra na Alaba people Yoruba to Benin Republic. Only Igbo so na Alaba international people Yoruba to Benin Republic. For more than 1 week, Yoruba returned to their land. Let alone Fulani man. Let alone Fulani. Man, my guy, I'm not happy, Mazi. I'm not happy. The only thing I'm need the boy, I want to give him the chance. One Nando Governor Sam Hanesa just say how one remarkable mark. Unforgettable mark. It was Akafana, no full share. I will not go to ya.
Ndi Ghana Melia. What's in the Nilejivana Bubusia?
You know?
Nke ya ga preacher.
I'm preacher. Don't to be from
one. All of them. I said all of them from A to Z they are going to die.
Man na bombo ife dị mma ndara na-emebi ife ishọrọkwa ndị mma guy ka ihe ndị bụ ndara aga nnata ndị Fulani ego ha jee n'ime akpafa bụrụzi ụmụ fazi na-eme jizi ha na-erezi ka gasị na na-ere ụcha na mmanụ. Future of their children, my brother. Future of their children. These people need egwu. Here and there, 9 abroad today is because of one Nigeria. All 9 will be after for all this while. And when him man got abroad game, don't you know?
That's true. What's that called?
Yes. I want to be Biafra right from time. Mbo Wazirike Onyaro Wazirike Nekoko Biafra. I went independent during that time. My brother, what did your man abroad game? Because I want everything.
Wazirike Udelegeriosia ka ase ayoko mazina ndikana se onye ka hapia Udelegeriosia Delegeriosia.
Mazi yemte bagabo oja Oja Tolono, Oshibik, if wars come to wars, I'm out on that one night I will defend our land. Later Mania, Lequidamania, or this another piano. If wars come to wars, I'm out on that one will come back and defend our land. I support you guys, my brother.
One ndo to bondo to ze buara. One
No, Fulani name threat my own land. My Zimba, who are done in all Biafra one, all Biafra.
God bless BSMS. God bless BSMS. God bless BSMS. Fulani is giving me an ultimatum in my own land. What insolence! What did they give these people morale? Now they ask you, but we know what they give them morale. We know what they give them morale. Yeah, and we are going to handle it accordingly. Don't worry. God bless you, my brother.
Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
okay.
Mazi, your topic today is a very good
Bolite
one.
Chukwuanogi,
Very, very interesting.
adjust your voice, make it go louder so that we can hear you. I can't hear you from here.
Okay. I say that your topic today is so wonderful. You are doing a very great job. And I must tell you that we Biafrans are waiting for these animals. Those animals that are saying that we must give them our land and give this with network, man. Oh gosh. Can you hear me?
Mazi, you have to call us back. God bless Biafra. Yes. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. The Zoo network is fluctuating. The Zoo network is fluctuating as usual, but I'm still trying to bring so many people in. I'm still trying to bring some people in. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. God bless General Chukwu Madika Amimon, the demon of the East. The demon of the East. The demon of the East. God bless General Chukwu Madike Amimon, the demon of the East. The demon of the East himself. There will speak up, my brother.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS.
One name Ka.
Zoom up for one name Ka. Ka one name.
God bless Biafra. Ka one
God
name.
bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra. Nah, half me fend abane. Ifendi Zuma ya. They flan yes men no. That name matter 30 days. 30 days. 30 days kamado. That's 30 days. Man no wale. When me fed one obu. Don't so bad and here chewa.
And they when we
I know my Cameroon.
And wait,
Abum wa kwa breba.
Mamu kata Ka one name.
Breba. Abum ya breba.
Charles. Anam Ka.
Guys never self. You were those bamado. Kala ma ko sam never self.
One name Ka.
Alô,
One name Ka.
bani mano mau,
Ka.
ndai mau.
I know where me out. I know where I
Ife menebo antupo monku. Bilobula wacho. Mumu mano ne bejida mbomo mtwenyeja. In the sense that abumunyuko mudhe go biwo anan nampozo uge. Na ile oge bade mbonye manfe. Komu ifande ne. Mbo wasakpo ho wade la ready. Meji wan mu ma godene omulizo nko aboto kobofunu rakpe ya Kenya wopom amami de meje richiwa ndase unu jitubar moto kobo obroda Kenya mu ma no mama na be mu mikidi ye ma me bibi kwa me guys me kuku ha ana omu ara ronyim da Kenya ko mu ma no na ba bo ayo munya sana on short akpare ran nada kasi tuno mo amali sanema so muna ni duko mo nkuku hapo kwa info bala e kwa ndek pa li ku shake by ndo wa se ko we ri jule ko bia mepi lo ba chi mi wa ma no mu man noni obu wa ka fo renya obo toka bo bla de ni papara so hapo
ya bi ko ba dia
nya no manem
wa bia wa go e wa da go to vu ike o ya bu wifo wa o won fun o fu me ma wa da gore ya o me ma wa da gore ya yo sa kama wa ma kwa no
imi femeni
o manda kaman yo sa
chai imi femeni abum de egvo bi wo yo mo ya nka akupukpo amam kirutulukpo Umunna na kupu ebon. Mo kon yo umunya ma ya na ebreba. Mela diku densi na mo yama mulu ntanye makara mo ebon. Elara sekpa na ekpesi mo kon katan asema mo ozugbo bo ha deje to kon koktan. Ulu anyi bara akpa ya rusatan maka kwaritan odon na manokwa ndu de go biwo. Tifem da chekpa ebo ada akpe fam iwo nde wo ma ade ma patwa mama ntam mfukwa London akpa mfio ndi ne fio so bebon mseka.
God bless Biafra. One minute, no network in this one. God bless Biafra. Watching no. Eba leke watching Zoo network and down the tank weekend. Zoo network and down the tank weekend. Eba leke watching. Anybody who comes in, please just make your points very, very brief. Just because so many people want to speak, so you just make your points very brief, and then you allow people to talk. God bless Biafra, and God bless BSMS. God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS. God bless. God bless BSMS. God bless BSMS.
My brother, the Zoom must fall. God bless Biafra. The zoo has fallen
Is
already.
falling already.
The zoo has fallen already.
Can contribute to
The zoo has fallen
very.
already.
Am I coming out loud?
Yeah, I can hear you. You can speak up. I can hear you loud and clear, bro.
Ihe gbasara is ultimatum. Ihe gbasara 30 days ultimatum. Ndị Fulani na-eji ala na-enye ndị Igbo and other Nigerians. Ịma na since Buhari batara n'ọchịchị, ha bụ gọọmenti and are the ones with power in control of all arms in Nigeria, a so-called federation. Only Hausa Fulani are occupying the entire security segments in Nigeria. Instead of a non-Fulani to go anywhere, they prefer to go and bring a Fulani from Chad to occupy that particular office. I can tell you now
That's exactly what they do.
majority of the Nigerian hierarchy soldiers are Fulanis, and some of them are non-Nigerian Fulanis. They are offloading these other ones from Middle Belt, and they filling their gaps with Fulani from outside Nigeria. Those of them in Nigeria are minorities. There are about 8 million people, about 10 million Fulanis in Nigeria. But they have about 50 other million Fulanis across West Africa. So they are bringing in their brothers into the Nigerian military to take over from everybody. Am I coming out loud?
Yeah, you're coming out loud. You're coming out loud. You're coming out loud.
We hear of Ruga settlement. Ruga is meant to provide a space for the non-Nigerian Fulanis to come and occupy our lands. And with time, you begin to win elections in your own place. And if they surround you like that, the AK-47, we are finished. The bill of taking waterways and the banks is back on the Senate. They brought it before. Saraki and Co. Back in the Senate. They want to take for the waterways, but the federal government. We're going to seek for interpretation at the Supreme Court. It's already foreclosed. They are giving judgment of speak out from regards to, but the ultimatum should be taken serious. Lay name on Haji now. Are you aware of what's happening in Haji now? Either way, one night. Either way of what is happening in Haji now. Hello? Hello?
Zoo network, Zoo network. The network is very bad. The Zoo network is very bad. The Zoo network is very, very bad, but we must continue. The Zoo network is very bad, but we must continue. Please, you have to make it jiffy because a lot of people want to call in. You have to make it snappy. You have to make it snappy because a lot of people want to call in.
Can you hear me?
My brother, network is very bad. I'm trying to tolerate it, but the network is very, very bad. Sincerely speaking, your network is very, 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 very bad. The network is bad. BSMS they come, oh. Ame Monday come, oh. You no go giri, you go giri, oh. Biafra they come, oh. BSMS they come, oh. Ame Monday come, oh. You no go giri, oh. That's so. God bless Biafra. God bless BSMS. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen already. My brother, can you hear me? Cho, Zoo Network. Zoo Network. Zoo Network. Zoo Network. Zoo Network. Hello, my brother David Adioha. Can you hear me? The Zoo Network is really making it very difficult for our people to speak up clearly. Only the people whom the network allows me to bring in. The Zoo Network is very, very bad. The Zoo Network is very, very bad. Please, when you call in, just make your contribution, just like my brother said here, Kinsley Murphy. My brother here, he said, please tell them to make a short point so others can also contribute. That is what I'm telling everyone. Please, please, please. When you call in, make your opinion snappy and make very short points because so many people want to call in and very today on this program. So if you call in, make your points very, very snappy. Make your points very snappy.
God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra. The zoo must fall. My brother, where are you calling me from? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Have fun. Good luck.
They will speak on and please hit choir to an issue. I go straight to the point.
One ndara make noise. And when you they are just making noise. I know nature. I think I started from Abuja. I go to Abuja for 12 years. I am from Abuja. Started with them. So I won't hear that panicky. We are just waiting for them. Let them just come. We are waiting for them with everything. We must fight. We must fight with everything we have. So all those their 30 days ultimatum is just they are just using to make people to think that they have everything. 2019 is different from a year 1967. And when you hear so the Biafra they know before is not the Biafra that they are seeing now. So they are just making noise.
Exactly.
Because they don't look at an easy when they win at the vest. I forgot here. I am from Central Bank of this their zoo Nigeria. All these Central Bank and so many places in Abuja. Come actually with them for them. And when he began, no problem. God
must fall. The zoo has fallen already. If you call me, make your points short, snap, and also air their views. If you call me, please make your points short and make it snappy so that other people can call in and also air their views. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen already. Fulani, devilish empire, wants to take our land from us by force. They are giving us 30 days ultimatum. And now what we are telling them is reduce the 30 days ultimatum to 10 days now. 30 days is too big. 30 days is too big now. Since you have the nerves, Mieti Allah, since you have the nerves to give me ultimatum in my own land, you are giving me ultimatum in my own land, telling me that you are going to kill me. You are going to rape our mothers. You are going to Islamize us. You are going to crush our people. You want our land. You want our land for your full and grazing. We are waiting for you. 30 days is too much. Reduce the 30 days. Bring it down to 5 days. Bring it down to 5 days. Kai Malazie. Kai Wazunu na do bie keche na epo dompe. Kai Wazunu na do bie keche na epo dompe. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. I'm trying to bring so many people in. The network is really disturbing. The network is really disturbing, as a matter of fact, and I'm still trying to bring in some people. I'm still trying to bring in 1 or 2 people. I will bring in 2 extra people. The program will continue. But I'll still bring in 1 or 2 people. So when you call in, try and make your message happy. Get short. So that other people can also call in and speak. God bless you, my brother. Where are you calling me from?
I call you from Moscow.
Okay, Russia.
Yeah, Russia Federation. I am them.
Also.
I am them. I did told you. Ta! 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 Siata! 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 Ow! Na babuha. Kona babuha. Siata kona babuha. Ta! Ta! Allah mo salam mo Allah mo salam mo. Allah tu amala. Allah tu amala zo. Siata! Say passion now. Say passion now. Let them passion now. Russia say hata. The Russian Federation say passion now. Say din now. Tell them say we speak the whole language in this world. We control the world. Biafra, we la so bla no wa. Say we feel many. Salam Muhammad azu. We get kulimia. Ebo yin get ku sa ko the one ne. Casual la zu la French. Ka mo get me diva. Sata. Ogo yin get ku.
When they Fulani.
Oh heavy.
How can I more?
Oh heavy.
Biafra we heard the one them. Biafra we heard the. God bless Biafra. God bless Biafra. They will. I just they bring in people and just they bring people now so it be. If you call in, just make your contribution snappy, very, very snappy, because I'll bring in 2 more people and I'll call it a day. I'll bring in 2 more people. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS.
God bless Biafra.
God bless BSMS. The Zoom must
God bless. The zoo must fall, bros. The zoo must fall. Bros, I like me in a manner. Because when our leader Mazin Nandekalo, people feel no joke. People feel maybe now already. Thank God us. Bro, since I join you, I'm full confidence on Biafra. So, bros, I'm with you people. I'm with you. Again. I support you. 30 days is too much. How many 15 days? We are waiting to see them. Yes. 50. Yes. Only enjoy like I did ready for them. I had to go ready for them. 1916, yeah, how old is 2019? How man can you do? We are ready for them. I support you, my brother. Carry on. All right, Biafra. Carry on, brother. We are with you. We are behind you. Nothing. Direct. Emeka ha ka eme nwanne. Anyị nwa ndị Igbo. Ihe niile bidoro na be anyị. Ihe niile bidoro na be anyị. So nke ọ bụla ha ma ọ anyị kụziri ihe ya.
So
yes, ọ kwụrụ na-akarị onye kụrụ ya. Ọnwa anyị nwakụrụ. Ọnwa anyị nwagwara ha ihe ha na-eme. So anyị ga-eyi ha egwu. Ha ga-agba ọsọ. Udodi ma brọda. Anyị na-eche ya Udodi. Nye m na-agwa onye ọbụla dị redi, onye ọbụla ga-akere nchọpụ, onye ọbụla kere ekere, emere ka ị ga-emenwu gaa mee chere ha, ọ bụghị ha ma aka eme, chere ha kpado akwado, onye ọbụla kwesịrị ịkpado akwado this time. For me, nwanne o tele mkpadoro, as far as ana m agba Lagos side, nwanne o tele mkpadoro, buru bịawa gbawa, no problem. Ụbọchị a ga-ekpe eke ekpe ya one side, but for now I'm going to defend myself, nwanne direct. I hear you, all hear Biafra. I love you all. I love you all.
You say, and God bless BSMS. BSMS, they come, oh. Amen, they come, oh. You go giri, you go giri, oh.
Oh my God, network.
Bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. So talk about the one name I can see up here.
Oh hey Biafra, God bless BSMS.
And I can see up here one name.
Yeah, man.
So talk about it.
God bless BSMS. God bless Biafra.
The Zoom was fall. The
Zoom was fall. I enjoy your paro. I enjoy your paro wella. But you know, if these people go let us get manama, if we go get touch, we go for them. If we go get mana, because that plasma, that season fee, mailing fee, where they go buy before. You hear me? That for our side, they don't go buy the season fee. We go follow Washam. We go follow Washam. But if they don't stay, make we Washam, go carry our plasma, go their house, go mountain for there. If they don't come, make we follow.
Network, we must continue.
For there, go follow Washam. You know, no. Fulani, they no be Nigeria.
They go want the plasma 100%.
Fulani, they no be Nigeria. Why they threaten us now? They crazy. Why did they threaten with Biafra? They come inside Nigeria. Okay, they don't chance Yoruba, they don't chance Hausa, they can't chance us for our own land. And again, you see all those
for we are. Who say man know they? Who say man know they?
When we say they did that place, they test people patience. I swear to Almighty God, they test people patience. Oh boy, look, if I don't come back for that place where we say I get man know they? Pity for anybody, I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I don't need pity for anybody. I will just go straight for what I want to do. But they take time. They test people power. I swear to God, they test people power.
You don't need to tell them to take time again. Would they tell them now? May they come? May they reduce the 30 days to 5 days? May they reduce the 30 days to 5 days? May they come? Would they wait for them? We want to dance this dance. Can we go to look at them? Then kill
my grand people. Then kill my grandparents. After they kill them, they don't remind me saying I didn't kill them before. Because say our papa do say one Nigeria, they come better for us, then better finish. Now they don't come back, come they remind us, say now what did they do before be this one? You know go better for them, you know go better for mighty Allah. But if it don't happen, let us know. Better. They crazy. And again, this is my advice. If you dey follow friend wey be say this friend, may we go chop, may we go party, may we go club. Oh boy, stop to dey follow that kind of person. Make you reason well as a Biafra song. May stop to dey follow that person because me I don't live for Yoruba. Me and Yoruba don't live for house for 4 years. Me I know that character. I know how them be. Them be the kind of person wey be say they like to confuse person. No putting things wey be say e dey. Oh boy, if you dey for like, you dey anywhere. Oh boy, listen to Biafra. May you know what they talk. May you know reason they call for Biafra. You understand? May you know say your male, they for village. One day they will say they won't go pluck cassava or plug one thing. Now so funny they go use knife, share them into 3. They go say RIP.
Rape them.
They go say RIP.
Kill them.
No be say you go carry one part, they pursue your own follow person. You go shoot and part. Now so you go run. Carry and come back. You understand? Oh boy, but then this one, they no go escape and this time around. I swear to Almighty God, they no go. As I do like this, if I wake up at the para, if I wake up anybody, they say, oh boy, this Biafra will never get down. The thing me say, they para me. But what you want happen be say, all those season, that season 2 film where they don't go buy come, make they carry and come, go follow wash and move. If they don't carry and come,
they go wash and
plasma go
100% plasma now.
This time around, they no go escape am. They make us little. These people they make us little. Flani. Those people will be say they support. These people will be say. These people will be say they support them. They go run it. They don't run away already. They don't run. People will be say they did their back. They don't run. So nothing for them again. They enjoy they make mouth. They say Ruga, thunder on fire them. Who want train animal? They crazy.
Also, my brother, God bless you.
Those our king. God bless those you. Our people. Those our. Let them just respect themselves because they no do. We go come for them. If they no do, we go come for them. They test people power. I swear to Almighty God, they test people power. But make them take time. They test people power. If them make any mistake where we say, person go get man so come back. What did they go see? They no go expect them. Because me, I know they happy. Anytime we say I wake up, say we no get that Biafra. Me, I know they happy. If he said may we join together again, oh boy, if we join together, people will be say they will come back for this Biafra matter. Nigeria will disappear. Nigeria, they will disappear. We no go there for the plan again. So we go get them now. That mistake where we say this one, they say to make a mistake is never a mistake. When I repeat a mistake, at that time I make that one, the one where we say I the mistake go. They understand. So may they take time. May all this plan, may they take time. May they take time. May they take time. But if not be so, we will see how they go now. You understand? God bless Biafra. I hear you.
Also, God bless BSMS. The Zoom must fall. Biafra they come on. BSMS they come on. Oh, you go giri. Biafra they come on. BSMS they come on. Amman they come on. They don't go giri. BSMS they come on. Amman they come on. You no go giri, oh. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen already. Fulanis. The Fulanis. Abi Miati Allah, Abi Hesman, anything, vigilante Fulani, anything you want to call on yourself. Dibia Agwari, that juju we una feel say una they do. That black magic we una feel say una get. Where una own stop? That place where una black magic stop, Fulani, that place where una black magic stop, na there our own start. That place where una ruggedity stop, Fulani, that place where una ruggedity stop, na there our own start.
Exactly.
Where una ruggedity stop, na there our own start. Where una killing stop, na there our own start. Where una madness stop, na there our own start. Mo awo ogbu ara obara, mo awo ogbu ara obara. Awo mo ogbu ara obara. I'm not a fellow human being like you. Awo mo ogbu ara obara, Fulani. Unu che unu na ara obara, mo na egbu ra ta okpokpo. Reduce your 30 days to 5 days. We are waiting. Idiots.
Bara.
If you want to join BSMS, come and join now. If you want to join Biafra Special Military Squad, inbox me or inbox General Chukwuma Memon. His name is Amemon Chukwuma. That is his Facebook name. The Demon of the East. Or you can inbox any reliable BSMS soldier whom you know that is a BSMS soldier. You understand? We don't pay any money to join BSMS. So anybody who is trying to tell you to bring any financial inducement, report the person to us and the person will be severely dealt with. God bless Biafra and God bless Biafra Special Military Squad. Some people say we be DSS agents. Some people say we be SAS agents. Some people say we be Nigeria government agents. I don't look them tired. They look them, they laugh. Keep deceiving yourself. When it will start, when we go begin clap hand for this country, when we go begin clap hand, now they can do the whole everything now. Because we are 100% loyal to the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra. We are 100% loyal to the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Oya wa jolo na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu jolo. Mazi biko mengwangwa emeghala ọdachi. A stitch in time saves 9. Mengwangwa ka ịkụ aka ka ndị a na ozugbo ka amara na ndị a awago ka ndị a gbadaba ụwa anyị ozugbo ka ndị a naba ozugbo. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. The zoo must fall. The zoo has fallen. God bless the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. God bless the leadership of the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless my General Chukwuma Dike Amemo, the demon of the East himself, the beast from the East. Dibia Gwaria. Onjo tubuo ndị otu Egbuaria. Onye amụma ebe onye amụma ọkpagharịa ka m gwakwarụ na egwu ọzọ. Biafra dey come o, BSMS dey come o, Amemon dey come o. You no go giri, you go giri o. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. It doesn't take anything to join BSMS. Just come and take your oath. Because in BSMS, you have to be under oath because we don't need saboteurs. You can never be a saboteur in BSMS because we are strictly under oath. Oath oath in Jesus' name. Oath oath. Our oath is not, I swear, I will not betray Biafra. Proper oath. You understand? God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. We know the joke. We know the play. We know the play. Fulani Empire must fall. Because we don't need saboteur in our midst. That is why we go under oath. Come and take your oath and join this noble cause of freedom so that we can restore our motherland. If I didn't bring you in, I'm very sorry. Next time I'll bring you in. God bless Biafra and God bless BSMS. Duty calls now.